Hey everybody, it's Chris here. Hope you're having a fantastic day. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you something that can make you far more money in your mortgage business by helping you close more deals and help you close more realtor referral relationships. What I need you to think about is a used car salesman. I know that sounds a little bit weird, but I want you to think about the process. When you go to a used car dealership, you're called an up, right? And so you walk onto the car lot and the guys in the used car office is like, whose up is this? And then that person goes out and that person is responsible for your entire transaction. So they come out, they show you the car, they sell you the car. You might talk to the finance manager at the end of the whole thing, but basically that used car salesman runs the whole process. Now, I want you to contrast that to a very high-end experience like going to the doctor or going to a family office that manages money or something along those lines. When you go to the doctor's office, the doctor does not greet you at the door, right? You walk into the doctor's office and there's the secretary or receptionist at the front. You have to book an appointment to get there first, right? Then you walk up to the wicket. They say, okay, good, you're here on time. You can go sit down and wait. They come out in 10 minutes and they tell you, okay, the doctor's ready to see you. They take you into the room and sit down. The door opens, you think it's the doctor. No, it's not the doctor, it's the nurse, right? The nurse actually comes in and does a lot of the heavy lifting. They find out what's wrong with you, do the diagnosis, ask all the questions, basically figure out what the problem is ahead of time. Then the doctor shows up. The doctor's there for 2 to 5 minutes. Like, hey, the nurse told me what's wrong. Here's the prescription that you need, and you're on your way, and out you go. And yet, the doctor is the highest paid person in that whole process. So your mortgage business should be the same. So contrast the used car salesman against the doctor. And now think about the leads in your business. If you're chasing leads that are coming in from Zillow or Boomtown or wherever it is that you're getting your leads from, and you're the person making the calls to that person, you're instantly viewed by that lead as a salesperson, somebody who is chasing them. And I know that in that lead's mind, it's most likely that they would think, wait a minute, this is the loan officer. Shouldn't they be taking loan applications right now? Why do they have time to call me to see if I'm interested in buying or selling real estate? It just starts the conversation off on the wrong positioning foot for you. Same thing with your realtor referral partners. Now, I'm not saying that you shouldn't be calling realtors and setting up relationships. Absolutely that works, and absolutely it is the personal relationship between you and your referral partners that's going to generate the business. What I am saying is that if you put a process and people in front of you before you actually have the appointment with the realtor, your business is viewed as more professional because you have people that are helping you with the processes. Those are the secretaries and the nurses that are helping queue you up. You should be viewed as the doctor and the specialist in your business. Now, when we're making those calls for you, we become the filter between you and the leads. We become the filter between you and your real estate agents. We're actually reaching out on your behalf to convert leads. We vet them and then we turn them into application appointments. For your realtors, we will take the list of realtors that you want relationships with. We will do all of the outbound calling to actually book you appointments with realtors. And we do it in a way, and we use scripts that get the realtors to that appointment ready to give you their old leads from Zillow or Boomtown or Commissions Inc. or wherever they're getting their leads from. Again, you're positioned as the expert. So as you're building out systems and processes in your business, it's very important to keep this positioning in place because it also, after the actual application is taken, it applies to that process in your business as well, right? Because once that application is taken, you should not be the person that's chasing documentation, that's chasing job letters and pay stubs and all of that work. You should have processors doing that so that your time is freed up on the activities that are making the most amount of money in the business, which is taking loan applications from clients, getting referrals from past clients, following up on the pre-approved and lookings that you have in the pipeline, and setting up new realtor or referral relationships with all of the other referral partners that you have in your business. It's time to get focused on the activities that are going to move the needle the most in your mortgage business and not be in every aspect of your business. Now, hiring is ultimately what you want so that you control that whole process. But you can't automatically just go to hiring a massive team. And that's why Connection Incorporated has our concierge team. we will convert your leads for you and turn those leads into application appointments. We will call your realtors and book appointments with you with those realtor referral partners. It's a phenomenal system. So if you'd like more information on that, go to applicationappointments.com. That's applicationappointments.com, because we book application appointments for you, right? So head on over to applicationappointments.com. All the details on how we do that for your business is there. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this serves you, and I'll see you in the next one.